All right, so here we're back at this alleyway again. I'm gonna try to make this one quick because I think there might be a storm falling over. My bike just fell over. The Goodman finally running again. Scroll. 2019 3.5 ton GSZ 14. It's a nice and quiet system. So yeah, it's a windy one though, and I'm not sure if a storm's coming like that. That might be over, but there was a 20% chance today. So yeah, but yeah, there's the Goodman. Now here's the York. Infinity, which is not running. I think that's a heat pump, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure that's a heat pump. 2012 5 ton. It was just running though. It was just running. Bryant, I think that just turned off not too long ago. I got it starting up once. I think this was an LG scroll. Yeah, it was just running. This is 2021 3.5 ton. Right here. This is gonna be in separate parts. AC Smith motor. 5 ton from 2012. And here's one that I caught defrosting last winter. This one has a fan delay startup, I think. But this is one I caught defrosting February 15th. A Copeland scroll. These are the LX series, by the way. Same 2012 5 ton. Little York that's running here. I think this is 1989 if I remember correctly, and this is a 2.5 ton. That's still working. Oh, what is that? Frost? I don't know. I'm not going to test that. That might be dangerous. Day. Maybe it's because there's a storm coming. Oh, this one turned on. That's what I heard. Sun's coming out. But yeah, there's this one again. This tile is not running. Copeland scroll. I would like to see it running. I don't know if this is going to be. Maybe maybe that means 2010. Maybe 2003. I don't know. Model numbers. So this is a 3.5 ton. A little Mitsubishi mini split right here. That's a 2000. That's a 1.5 ton from 2021. Looks like it too. Here are two Trane products. American Standard, I caught defrosting, and another Trane product that I caught defrosting. Both of these were caught defrosting last winter. This was January 12th. That was February 15th. There's this one that caught defrosting, Jan 12th. Yeah, whenever the wind blows, you can really hear it in the fan, like because you can hear the resistance. 2010 4 ton, and this one is running. This is the last one right here. 2011 3.5 ton. 13. It's actually cold. And there we go. So yeah. Sorry, things are unfortunately very hard to hear right now because of the wind on here. I can only imagine what it sounds like on there. The GoPro. This thing did not turn on, and this thing. Probably, yep. Oh no, this is a very quiet unit. Quiet master. But yeah, that's this part. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.